stop wasting your skills at your 9-to-5 job, right? The problem is everyone has a skill, right? Everyone has a skill. And what happens is, because you've got these skills, right? The workplace, your 9-to-5 job, they want these skills. They want you to, use those skills so they can pay you by the hour, right? So for example, they'll pay you, let's say $20, $50, whatever. They'll pay you by the hour, okay? Now, you're wasting your skills at these jobs, right? Because guys, you have to understand one thing. These skills that you're essentially renting out to your 9-to-5 job for $20 an hour, $30 an hour, $40 an hour, that is not a fair price for your skills. Because let's even work it out, right? Let's say, for example, you get paid $50 an hour, right? Now, for $50 an hour, you have to work 20 hours just to make $1,000, right? As an example. But guys, you can literally sell the exact same skills, right? Sell it yourself directly and make, let's say, argument's sake, $3,000 for only spending 12 hours, right? Now, that's just one example, right? And obviously the business model I'm going to be talking about is something I like to call the one skill consulting business model. Now, the reason why this business model is so good is because you can sell your own skills, right? Now, this can be absolutely anything. There's a woman teaching people how to knit. She makes 20 grand a month. There's another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He's making around 80 grand a month. A person teaching someone how to get a six-pack. He's making 160K a month. You got another person teaching people how to row, right? Like literally rowing a boat. And he makes 100K a month. Guys, when you understand some of these skills aren't even high level skills, right? But yet they're making ridiculous amounts of money. A lot of them are making 6 figures a month, let alone a year, 6 figures a month, right? And you guys are working for $50 an hour. Please make it make sense. You guys have skills that are worth ridiculous amounts of money. And if you guys don't believe me, I myself was working a 9-to-5 job. I was renting out my skills, whether it was my media operator job role or my sales job role, whatever it was, I was renting out my skills, right? And I was getting paid, a lot less than $50 an hour. I was getting paid, practically nothing. I was making about 2 grand a month, working 40 hours a week. And it was just not enough money. So what I did, right, was I took a big risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. This is where I currently reside. I live here in Dubai and I make well over 6 figures a year on my own online coaching business, where I work with people and help them start their own online business that can generate well over 10K a month by using the one skill consulting business model. Now, if you guys are interested, by the way, and you do want to start this business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, my point on this video is stop renting out your skills. Your skills for $50 an hour, $40 an hour, $30 an hour. Can you imagine, right, knowing that you could be making 10K a month, 20K a month, 30K a month for yourself, by the way, because I know there's a lot of high paying job roles out there for specialist skills and stuff like that. But imagine making that money for yourself. Imagine not relying on a job to pay you. Imagine not relying on your boss to pay you, right? Imagine not working for someone else. Imagine not waking up when someone else tells you to wake up. Imagine not having to commute to the job place where you don't want to commute to. Imagine working from anywhere in the world. Imagine not having to pay tax, right? Because if you make money online, you can live wherever you want. For example, Dubai, where you don't have to pay tax. Imagine how different your life would look if you decided, you know what? I am not going to work for someone else. I'm going to start my own business, and the skills that I'm essentially renting out for my job, I'm going to make for myself, right? And I'm going to use those skills to make me even more money. Guys, that's exactly what I did. I literally stopped renting my skills out to someone else, right? So instead of being someone else's slave, I used those skills to make money for myself. And I've always had these skills, to be fair. I just did not know how to actually use them, right? Because it's all well and good having skills, but if you don't know how to use it, how to sell it, how to package it, how to find the people to sell it to, then there's no point having those skills, right? But guys, this is what I've been learning. This is what I've, hired mentors for. This is where I've invested in myself. This is where you guys have to do the exact same thing, where you need to find someone, right, who can help you do this. Now, obviously, the business model that I talk about is the one skill consulting business model, right? Which a lot of you guys can do. Now, the one skill consulting business model is a very, very simple business model, right? So for example, you have a skill, okay? You package it into an offer, then you sell it to high ticket clients, right? It's as simple as that. And the way you do that, find your skill, create your offer, start making YouTube videos and sell it to high ticket clients. Guys, it is one of the most simplest and most easiest business models that anyone in the world can do, right? You watching this video can absolutely do this. And if you guys have any doubts, right, about you being able to do this, I have a 16-year-old client. He's now 17, actually. He just recently turned 17. So I've got the 17-year-old client. He joined me, and now he's making around 5K a month, right? He's got about 5-6 clients now signed straight away. I've got another client who's 21, right? And at 20, he's been working with me for a while. At 20, on his first YouTube video, he made 25 grand, right? And at the moment, he's averaging around 25 grand a month. Guys, it's incredible how easy this business model is. I've got people as young as 16, 21, you know, absolutely killing it. I've got even more testimonials, by the way, which you can check out by clicking the link in the description. And if you're on there, right, and you see the testimonials and you want to be my next success story, well, click the link, book in a call. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you start this business where you can generate well over 10K a month, right? Now, if you are a specialist, if you're in a specific job role at the moment where, you know, maybe you're getting paid quite a lot, right? And I know there's a lot of high paying roles in the UK, but you don't have freedom. You can't wake up when you want. You can't, you know, be able to live the life that you want. You can't wake up tomorrow and go on holiday, right? Because you need to ask for leave, you need to ask your boss, X, Y, and Z. Guys, why would you rent your skills out to these companies that don't really care about you, right? And I made this point in many other videos. A lot of people take their jobs so seriously as well. It's crazy how serious people take their jobs because they feel like, oh, if I give more time to my job, if I go above and beyond, maybe they might give me a promotion, maybe they might give me a raise, X, Y, and Z. But this is so far from the truth. Your job will replace you in an instant, right? They don't really care about you. If tomorrow you make a mistake, or if tomorrow, you know, maybe they don't have enough money, you'll be the first one to go, right? They do not care about you. They will replace you in an instant. This is why a 9-to-5 job is the most unstable thing. I know a lot of people talk about business being unstable, but I tell you one thing, at least in business, if you don't make money, you can blame yourself. But if you don't make money in 9-to-5, if they sack you, for example, and you can't apply and you're trying to apply for jobs and you can't get a job, are you going to blame someone else, right? The point I'm trying to make is you'd rather blame yourself than blame something externally, right? This is why it has never been a better time to start an online business. Guys, an online business has made me go from working a job in the UK where I absolutely hated it, right? So now living here in Dubai, financially free, right? Make ridiculous amounts of money online, and I never have to work for anyone else again. And I work for myself, and life has completely changed. Guys, I'm in a position now, right, where I literally wake up when I want. I go wherever I want to go at whatever time. I mean, right now, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like maybe 12 a.m. or something along the lines. I don't even know what time it is. That's how crazy it is. I don't even know what date it is, right? I don't even know what day it is. Forget even date. I'm in a position right now where my life has completely changed. And all of this has happened because I took the biggest risk of my life. All of this happened because I chose not to rent my skills out to someone else, essentially using my skills, right, to make even more money. I decided to use those skills to make more money for myself. And that's literally why I'm in the position I am at the moment. And guys, you can do the exact same thing. A lot of my clients have done the exact same thing, and they are making ridiculous amounts of money. Again, all my testimonials are in the link in the description. Check it out, click on that link. And if you do want to work with me, book in a call with me. And literally what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But guys, please don't just watch this video, go about your day. You know, understand your skills are valuable. Understand that rather than renting your skills out, there are people out there that will pay you 3 grand, 4 grand, 5 grand for your skills. Imagine you charge 5 grand for your skill, right? And you get 2 clients a month. You're going to make 10K a month, right? It's as simple as that. There are people that will pay you 5 grand, even 10 grand for your skill, depending on what your skill is and who you're targeting. There will be people paying you 5 grand, 6 grand, 7 grand, 10 grand, upwards of some, you know, even higher amounts than that. And I know that sounds crazy and I know that sounds unrealistic, but I'm telling you from someone that's been in the industry long enough that this is a fact. So instead of wasting your time in a 9-to-5 job, which can replace you in an instant, learn to use your skills to make money online so you can completely change your life. And again, if you do need any help with that, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. We'll jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you start the One Skill Consulting business model, and it will completely change your life. And if you want more details, by the way, on how the One Skill Consulting business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.